The BMW 5 Series key fob from 2011 to 2017 typically uses a CR2032 battery. Replacing it is usually straightforward. First, identify if your remote isn't working or has an open case issue, often due to wear. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool. Gently pry open the fob's back cover. Remove the old battery, noting the orientation with positive side up. Insert the new CR2032 battery correctly. Snap the cover back on. For an open case, a tiny dab of clear silicone sealant can help reseal it. If the remote still doesn't work, proceed to the next section. If the remote isn't working after a fresh battery, first test the new battery with a multimeter to ensure it reads 3 volts. Clean the battery contacts inside the fob with isopropyl alcohol to remove any corrosion. If problems persist, reprogramming might be needed. Dealerships charge $50 to $100, while universal key fob programmers like Foxwell NT510 or Autel Maxi IM608 offer a DIY solution. Note that aftermarket batteries sometimes cause issues. OEM batteries are recommended for consistent voltage. If you've ruled out battery issues and corrosion, module failure, or deeper diagnostics might be required by a professional.